Hi, one and all. This is Hemant sir. Today we will discuss about the chapter number 12, aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. Here, this is most important chapter. Examiner will ask for 6 marks with option 8. Hence, it is important chapter. A view of examination. Today's point will be discussed is preparation of carboxylic acids from alkyl benzene, from alkenes, and last from Grignard reagent. Actually, in the last session, we have completed some part of the preparation of carboxylic acids by saponification method. Okay, and even we have saw the Gatterman-Koch reaction, a separate reaction for the preparation of aldehyde. Let's see the focus on today's part, that is preparation of carboxylic acid from alkyl benzene. Here, from alkyl benzene means a benzene structure have alkyl group. It may be methyl group, it may be primary or secondary, and the product is your carboxylic acid using oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate, may be alkaline or acidic. Here, aromatic carboxylic acid can be prepared by the oxidation of side chain of alkyl benzene with dilute HNO3 or alkaline acidic KMNO4 or chromic acid. The entire alkyl chain, regardless of its length, is oxidized to the carboxyl group. With condition, tertiary alkyl substituent on benzene, however, is not oxidized. Let's see the textual example. Here, toluene. This is the example of toluene. A benzene ring. This is the benzene ring. This part is the benzene ring. This benzene ring having methyl group. See, this carbon having 3 hydrogen atoms. Since it is methyl benzene, you can say methyl benzene. Clear? Most commonly used toluene word. Here, this methyl benzene treated with oxidizing agent like potassium hydroxide. It is a alkaline oxidizing agent. This is the alkaline potassium permanganate. Because why? The potassium hydroxide. Because of potassium hydroxide. When this KMNO4 react with the potassium hydroxide, a nascent oxygen come out from the reaction, and this nascent oxygen react with the side chain of benzene, means react with the methyl group only. And once the KMNO4, you can say nascent oxygen obtained from the KMNO4 react with the side chain of this methyl group. This methyl group. The resulting product in the primary stage is potassium benzoate. What happen actually when KMnO4 react with the potassium hydroxide? It gives the three oxygen. Okay, a two oxygen directly attack on the methyl group, remain one oxygen and potassium hydroxide as it is. Okay, and then the potassium attack on the oxygen. Once the attack on the oxygen, it will give the potassium benzoate, and you will get the twice of the water molecule. If you balance the reaction, you will get the twice of water molecule. The initial product is potassium benzoate. This part, see, this is potassium, and this whole part is called as a benzoate. Means it is the derivative of the ester. This is potassium benzoate. The actual structure of the KMnO4 is this, like this. Magnesium having 4 oxygen around us. This is the structural arrangement of potassium permanganate. Once they form the potassium benzoate, after hydrolysis, you will get the benzoic acid. Hydrolysis means is nothing but the addition of water molecule. Clear? H3O plus, it is acidic water molecule. When this acidic hydrolysis take place with potassium benzoate, resulting product is benzoic acid. Correct. Listen again. When this methyl benzene treated with a oxidizing agent, it is a strong oxidizing, KMnO4, potassium dichromate, achromic acid, all these are the strong oxidizing agent. This potassium permanganate, alkaline potassium permanganate, gives the nascent oxygen. That is thrice of nascent oxygen. And out of this thrice, two oxygen directly attack on the methyl group. The resulting product will be potassium benzoate with the help of the potassium hydroxide. Once they form the potassium benzoate, after hydrolysis, you will get the benzoic acid. It is simple, straightforward reaction. Toluene converted into benzoic acid using potassium permanganate, alkaline potassium permanganate. Let's see the next slide. Cumin. See here, the carbon having two methyl group with hydrogen, one hydrogen atom, and carbon other side having the benzene, that is cumin. Okay. When this cumin again treated with the potassium permanganate with the potassium hydroxide, resulting is the potassium benzoate. See, KMnO4 act as a strong oxidizing agent. ये जितने भी ग्रुप एक साइड चेन को अटैच हुए होंगे मिथाइल ग्रुप और हाइड्रोजन, इन सबको ऑक्सीडाइज करके पोटेशियम बेंजोइट में कन्वर्ट करता है. बट अगर उधर अगर 3 मिथाइल ग्रुप होता तो रिएक्शन डज नॉट पॉसिबल, क्योंकि इतना भी स्ट्रांग नहीं है कि वो तीन तीन मिथाइल ग्रुप को ऑक्सीडाइज कर सके. ये उसकी एक कंडीशन है. वंस द ऑक्सीडेशन टेक प्लेस on cumin, resulting product is potassium benzoate, and after hydrolysis you will get the benzoic acid. Clear? Let's see the next slide. From alkene. From alkene means aliphatic or aromatic structures have, sorry, aliphatic or cyclic structure have the double bond. And here again this reaction is carried out in presence of strong oxidizing agent like Mn4 in dilute H2SO4. In the previous reaction we have saw the in presence of dilute nitric acid. Here we are going to use the dilute H2SO4 with a potassium permanganate. Here the carboxylic acid can also be prepared by the oxidation of alkene by KMnO4 in dilute H2SO4. Let's see the textual example, that is phenylethene. C6H5 is the phenyl and CH11CH2 is the ethene. Hence, the name of the structure is phenylethine. Here, alkenes means actually reaction take place with the carbon-carbon double bond. Let's see the example. This phenylethane react with the potassium permanganate with dilute H2SO4. The reaction actually take place between this carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, I told in the previous reaction, KMnO4 gives the nascent oxygen, and once the form the nascent oxygen, this approach toward the carbon-carbon double bond means then this two oxygen approach toward this part means COOH. See here, that is benzoic acid. Clear? Let's see the one more example textual, that is cyclohexene with the cyclohexene. जैसे ये डबल बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करता है तो इस साइक्लोहेक्सेन के स्ट्रक्चर में ये पार्ट को ब्रेक करेगा, इतने पार्ट को, और सिंपली जिधर भी ब्रेक करेगा उधर आप लोग ब्लाइंडली लिख सकते हो, चॉइस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन उसमें डाल सकते हैं लाइक दिस. ओके, लेट्स सी द रिजल्टिंग प्रोडक्ट, दैट इज एडिपिक एसिड. बस डबल बॉन्ड को ब्रेक करके आपको एसिड डालना है, ये इतना हमें ध्यान में रखना है, कुछ भी ज्यादा डिफिकल्ट टास्क नहीं है इसमें. कंडीशन क्या है कि स्टार्टिंग प्रोडक्ट शुड बी alkene and add as a reagent KMnO4 plus dilute H2SO4. Resulting product same, that is benzoic acid or adipic acid. Clear? Listen again. When phenylethyl react with the strong oxidizing agent like KMnO4 with the dilute H2SO4 with low temperature, it gives the benzoic acid. Same for cyclohexene, when react with the potassium permanganate with dilute H2SO4, resulting product is adipic acid. May be clear to you. It is simple reaction actually. Let's see the next slide, last slide, that is from Grignard reagent, most reactive reagent in the organic chemistry. Here, Grignard reagent in dry ether solvent is added to solid carbon dioxide. Solid carbon dioxide is nothing but the dry ice to give a complex which on acid hydrolysis gives corresponding carboxylic acid. Let's see the Grignard reagent formula. This is the formula of Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, R having negative charge, that is you can say delta negative charge. Magnesium having positive charge. Magnesium is a metal having, hence it is having positive charge, and halide having negative charge. This is the Grignard reagent. RMgX is the Grignard reagent, that is called as alkyl magnesium halide. Yeah, you can say organometallic reagent. When this Grignard reagent react with the dry ice किसको बोलते हो थोड़ा ध्यान में रखो क्योंकि ये बहुत बार पूछा जाता है. Dry ice, that is CO2, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ये एक लेविस एसिड है. Why? Because कार्बन को दो ऑक्सीजन अटैच हुए. There are two oxygen and oxygen is a highly electronegative atom than the carbon. Hence it is a Lewis acid. Here RMgX is a highly reactive reagent. The R having negative charge, hence R approach toward the carbon atom. And once they attack the R towards the carbon because of the highly density area, a pi electron between the carbon and oxygen shifted on oxygen. And once the oxygen form the extra lone pair of electron, this extra lone pair of electron shifted. Here, this extra lone pair of electrons shifted towards the magnesium, and the bond between the RMG break simultaneously. Reaction is carried out in presence of dry ether as a solvent. It is good solvent. Here, in the initial stage, you will get the complex. See actually how the arrangement happen. This negative part of the alkyl group approach toward the carbonyl carbon, and pi electron shifted towards the oxygen, and oxygen shifted the electron towards the magnesium because of the positive charge on it. And once the electron shifted towards the magnesium, a bond between the R and Mg will be breaks, and you will get the complex, that is RCOOMgX. After hydrolysis, in presence of dilute acid, you can say acid hydrolysis, you will get the carboxylic acid plus magnesium OH. Clear? Here acid hydrolysis means first upon HO and H plus. After dissociation, you will get the OH minus and H plus. Okay, here C double bond O and OMGX. Okay, this part will be separate, and once the OH approach toward the carbon, this part will be separated and approach toward the hydrogen. Hence you will get the magnesium hydroxide halide, and main resulting product is carboxylic acid. I think may be clear to you. It is simple reaction and most important reaction of your examination. Many times it is actually examiner या paper setter lower reaction. Okay, let's see the next reaction. It may be out of textbook. Here, this is bromobenzene. Once the bromobenzene react with the metal like magnesium, we will get the Grignard reagent, that is benzene magnesium bromide. And once the form the benzene magnesium bromide as a Grignard reagent, this treated with the carbon dioxide with hydrolysis, you will get the benzoic acid. This part. Okay, let's see the following reaction. How actually reaction happen. This bromobenzene react with the magnesium in presence of ether. You will get the Grignard reagent. This is Grignard reagent, Gr. Okay, this part is called as the Gr, Grignard reagent. And once the form the Grignard reagent reaction take place with the carbon dioxide, you will get the complex having positive and negative charge in the complex. After hydrolysis on complex, it gives the benzoic acid plus magnesium bromide hydroxide. I hope to clear to you. This is most important reaction, so keep in mind. RMgX के साथ अगर आप लोग कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड डालोगे in presence of dry ether, Initially, you will get the complex one. Once the hydrolysis with the complex, you will get the carboxylic acid. Okay, that is most important reaction. You always keep in mind. बहुत बार एग्जाम में पूछा गया है ये एग्जाम एग्जाम्पल. I hope you understand well these three reactions that today we have completed in the preparation of carboxylic acid from oxidizing agent like potassium permanganate, from alkene, from Grignard reaction. These are the few examples that we have seen today. I hope you understand well, and thanks for being with us. Thank you very much. Bye bye.